And this is part 2 of our flight from Monterey. We're going to be landing in San Francisco on a nice sunset evening here. Microsoft Flight Simulator X actually keeps track of the right time, the time of the day, the sun position, everything. So this is quite a program. You can either set the weather for what you want to fly in, or it will get a little overspeed warning here. Sorry about that. Anyway, it's really a good program. It's very realistic. I just got this new 757 sent to me free by the company I buy my flight programs from. So we're making final approach to Frisco now. Landing on the water here on a sunset afternoon. There goes the landing gear. Just put the landing gear down. Very, very hard to land. It's much harder to land than it is to take off, believe me. So I take my hat off to these airline pilots. Boy, they have their hands full, believe me. And we're on final approach, and my headphones, I just got clearance from the tower. It's a set brake warning. Vocal alarm. It's telling me to arm the spoilers and the automatic braking system. So I've got that set now. So we're heading into San Francisco. We'll see what type of landing I make here. Rub my rabbit's foot again. Coming in for a sunset landing here from Monterey to San Francisco. I've got clearance on my headphones from the tower that we're cleared to land on the left runway. Yeah, it's a great program. If your kids ever wanted to fly airplanes, or you had a fantasy to become an airline pilot, this is the program. There are many good programs out there. X-Plane 10, that's our altitude readout from the depth finder. Just hoping to make a good landing here. Seems like every time I try to make a good landing, I'm under pressure when people are watching me. Beautiful sunset day in San Francisco here. A little crosswind, not too bad today. Yeah, you can fly these planes in thunderstorms. You can set any weather condition you want, fog, thunderstorms. It's really an amazing program. Microsoft sure did a great job on this. There are many good flight programs out there. There's a lot of them out now. And clear to land on the left runway here through my headphones. Coming in over the... Well, the vocal alarms drive you a little crazy sometimes. They just come on, but at least they warn you and remind you of things. That's great. One thing you don't want to see is the airport trucks and the crash and fire rescue. So, and here we go. 500 feet. 400 feet. Oh, getting kicked off to the left, a little right a little bit here.
300. 200. 100. 50, 40, 30, 20.
San Francisco International. And thrust reversers, automatic braking. Not too bad of a landing this time. 757, a very nice airplane to fly. It's very trustworthy and stable. Handles real well. Okay, flaps up. Thrust reversers back in off of position. And let's see if we can pull up to the terminal here. Roger, San Francisco Tower, turning left. Thank you. Still getting used to the throttles on this one. It's they're all handled different. No two airplanes are alike. They all look different. They all handle different. And we're turning left here, heading towards the terminal. It's really neat to fly these airplanes at night. It's real pretty, actually. See the city lights and everything below you. Okay, well, that's it from San Francisco International. Glad you could hop aboard. We'll see you later. Bye.